How to use Claude AI for coding. So your first step is to be clear about what you're building. So instead of telling it to write you a code for a website once you log in, just go ahead and paste in a simple instruction like create a responsive landing page using HTML and CSS for a donation platform. And then you can also ask it to include a hero section, a feature section, and a contact form. And now all you need to do is just simply send this prompt in. Now, once you've sent this prompt, all you need to do now is once the prompt arrives, you can ask Claude to simply structure the project. So before you generate your code, you could also suggest a clean folder structure for a small portfolio website using HTML. You could also ask it to generate it in sections if you don't want an entire block of code like this. You could ask it to generate it in sections. You could also ask Claude to explain the code if you do not understand what's going on here, like I do. Just simply ask it to explain the code once it's done. So you can also set up responses so you can leave it to generate the code and come back once it has responded. And now, if you notice any issues on your platform or on your website, you could now debug with Claude. All you need to do is simply tell it that your code has an error and then relay the error to Claude, and then it would fix it and explain why that happened. All right, so now the next thing is optimizing or refactoring your code. So you could simply ask Claude to make this block of code more efficient. You could ask it to make it a shorter line of code. You could also ask it to improve its performance or turn it into a React component. Claude can basically do that for you. All right, and once it's done, you can now access your platform, host it, and get the best out of the opportunity. All right.